Hi everybody, I wanted to share this double build with you. It's the old 1/144 scale F-104 Starfighter and MiG-21D from Airfix, and I did them about a year ago now for the Everything Airfix group build on the group build group. They're very old and simple kits, and I didn't scratch build or add anything to them at all. They're completely out of the box. Nor did I make any video of the process, as I never really intended to make a video about these. These are just stills that were done for the build log on the group build group. I can't remember right now the paints I used, but both are just painted silver, and there's a black anti-glare section on the Starfighter and the 3 green sections on the Fishbed. Despite being quite old, the decals were still perfectly usable. I built them gear up for ease of construction and then had to figure out the best way to display them. I mounted them on brass rod and then made a small round base with a map of their nation on it. So there's a yellow map of Spain for the Spanish Starfighter and a red map of Poland for the MiG-21. They are far from my best work, but they were fun to put together, and that's the point, I guess. I think one of my mojo killers was the grind of constantly trying to go further with each build, and I've not done that with these. These are just simple builds. So there we have them, an F-104 Starfighter, a MiG-21D. And all that's left to say now is thanks for watching, and until next time, keep modelling and have fun. Bye.